Hey there, fellow investors. Welcome back. Today, I'm excited to share with you a topic that's near and dear to my heart: how I consistently make $2,000 a month from dividends. If you're looking to create a passive income stream that grows over time, you're in the right place. So, let's dive right into it. Imagine receiving regular paychecks while you sleep. That's the power of dividends. In this video, I'm going to reveal my proven strategies, the stocks I swear by, and the mindset that has helped me achieve financial freedom through dividends. One. Personal story. Before we jump into the details, let me share my journey. Just a few years ago, I was like many of you, searching for ways to secure my financial future. I stumbled upon the concept of dividends, a portion of a company's earnings paid out to shareholders. I was intrigued and decided to dig deeper. 2. Benefits of dividends. Dividends provide a steady income stream, regardless of market fluctuations. They're like a safety net for your investments. And the best part? Reinvesting dividends compounds your returns, accelerating your wealth-building journey. 3. Strategies for success. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty. To make $2,000 a month from dividends, you need a well-thought-out strategy. I follow 3 key principles. Diversification. Spread your investments across various sectors to minimize risk. This ensures that even if one sector underperforms, your overall income remains stable. Dividend growth investing. Look for companies with a history of consistently increasing dividends. These companies tend to be financially strong and committed to rewarding their shareholders. Dividend reinvestment plans, DRIPs. Enroll in DRIPs to automatically reinvest your dividends into more shares. This harnesses the power of compounding and helps you accumulate more wealth over time. 4. Stock recommendations. Now, you might be wondering, which stocks should you invest in? While I can't provide personalized financial advice, I can share some sectors that historically offer strong dividend opportunities. Tech giants. Companies like Stock A and Stock B have embraced dividends while maintaining growth potential. Consumer staples. Stock C and Stock D are known for their stable dividends, as people continue to buy their products regardless of economic conditions. Utilities. Consider Stock E in the utility sector. Utilities are essential services, which can mean steady cash flow for investors. 5. Mindset and patience. Before we wrap up, I want to emphasize the importance of patience. Building a substantial dividend income takes time. Stay focused, avoid emotional decisions, and remember that this is a long-term game. And there you have it, my friends, how I make $2,000 a month from dividends. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more financial insights. Remember, your journey to financial freedom begins with the first step. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing. Take care, and may your dividends be ever in your favor.